Hello and welcome to my channel. We're going to do another painting today. I'm going to do some dolphins on refrigerator board. I'm enjoying the refrigerator board because you can erase easy. I'm going to use regular brushes. It's going to be really hard to do. I would normally do this with air brushes, and let me know if you want to see that done. Do people even use airbrushes anymore? I haven't seen them too much. It was like the original AI because airbrushes make it look so realistic. I'm not looking for perfect realism. I'm wanting to make it look more like art. So let's get started. Dolphins on refrigerator board. Oh, it's so satisfying. Why am I not keeping this? So I've already got one. All right. Some blue up here. Some darker blue. I don't know why I started with the darker blue. Looks like I have some black on my brush. I don't know if I like that. I want that white to peek through. That's pretty good. So evidently, this is the color that I'm stuck with. I've tried this before, I guess. So I got this neon blue. This is not neon blue. This is just my regular blue. And this is what neon blue came out, I think. And that's not even the right color of blue. I've tried it again before on this whale. That's not that neon blue that we're looking for. And this, which turned out to be gray of some sort, that's not neon blue. So, yeah, I don't know. This is actually spray paint. I think this is that translucent paint. That's how I painted that. So I think I'm stuck with this, which isn't bad. We'll see how it comes out. Let's get started on this. It occurred to me that this needs to be black right here on this. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Huh. Also, when I opened the bottle, a little piece came out, black. I just get that out of there. That's no good. And this needs to be drugged. Anyway, if you want weird effects with that black color, I don't know what the final thing would do, but that was kind of cool. Sure, what is this black for? And it makes it look deeper in the background. All right, so I've decided this is the wrong color. This part done. And so all right, let's try this again. I'm gonna let it dry. Okay, let's get this going. So there's some white on these things, so immediately I'm going to get this top part, erase some of that. Normally on paper I wouldn't erase this, or if I was on canvas I wouldn't even try. I would just cover it in white, but this stuff's pretty easy to work with, so heck, I'm just going to erase. It's always fun anyway. Yeah, like that. Okay, back to work. So I was having issues where normally I would print this out or something. So I have this old phone and I'm sending text messages to my old phone. So I can use this phone because I'm recording on my regular phone. So now I have this that I can look at, finally. So, crisis averted. I also noticed that these fins are a lot more hooked than I have them. That's interesting. I'll put that in later. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Now, to the next one. This is precisely why it's a good idea to use a stencil, because I don't have to rebuild the stencil. Pretty nice. Wow, that's crap. This is from your brush being too wet, right here. That can ruin your picture. And it did screw up the painting, so I just erased it really quick. And now I'm redoing it. Well, just the one dolphin, not both of them. after watching this back, I think that this blue actually helps. So I'm going to add blue. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.